Hello everybody, this is a 2006 Subaru Outback. On this car, I'm replacing the rear trailing arm bushings. They look like this. And to replace these bushings, you're going to need a tool set like this. I already have taken my tools that I need to fit. Should fit just like that. A little bit inner side of the bushing, then outside. This right here should be plenty. You can slide over the bushing with little resistance. And we're going to need 19 mil stud to get this out. Another thing you need to do is you definitely need to take down the entire subframe. That's what I did. Okay, so you can do this without it. More power to you. So to remove the subframe, you're going to need one bolt here, two bolts back here, and then you have one bolt here and one bolt that goes through this here that attaches to the brace and this together. So you have 4 bolts on each side. Now before you get to even touch your rear cradle, subframe, whatever you want to call it, you have to remove a drive shaft. It's right there. You got 4 bolts, remove the drive shaft, and you have to remove your exhaust system, which is in the way. So I did not remove the lower flanges. You only need to open the top flange and slide out of the hangers, and the exhaust system comes off. Once you get all this off, I'm going to go ahead and work on this side. You will need to remove 12mm bolts to separate all your brake lines, e-brake lines, and the ABS sensor, because you don't want to stretch any of that. Then you would need 19mm bolt. Remove this here, and this bracket will come off, giving you access to the bushing. To remove it, we're gonna set this up like this, and then in the front I'm gonna install the push fittings and then tighten the bolt back on. There you go. Then I'll take the torque gun, tighten this up. There you go. Easy. When you want to install it, you're going to install the guide there, bushing here first, and then your push bracket and the bolt. And you simply tighten it with a gun, and the bracket should fit. It will push. There you go. Once the bushing is replaced, all you got to do is lift up your rear subframe, line it up to the mounting holes right here. So if you have a buddy, he can line up that side and you can line up this side. If you don't have anybody, then what you could do is line up this slightly, put a bolt through it, hold it in place, go back, that would be hanging, line that up and put a bolt in it. Once you put these 2 bolts, the front lines up very easily. So here we go. Here's your new bushing. You're going to tighten that bolt, and then the bolts on the bottom right there. One right here, one right here, one right here. We have a total of 4 bolts. These 12mm bolts you got to remove for the brake lining. You don't need to open the calipers unless you're planning on taking the entire subframe out. The strut assembly is the hardest to put back together. So what I do is I attach tube, pry bar, whatever you have from here, and I rest it over here, push the whole assembly down, and then I can guide the bolt for the strut assembly back in here. The drive shaft assembly has to be connected back in. Exhaust is connected with these 2 bolts. These are the ones we remove. The one I removed. And when you follow, here's your drive shaft. It's connected with 12mm right there. So you're gonna remove the exhaust first, then the drive shaft. Here's the old bushing. So this part, you see where the rust is, that goes towards the inside of the car. The flush mount is towards the outside of the car. When you get the new bushing, if they have the inner sleeve sticking out more this way, that part of the bushing is going to go towards the outside of the car, because these bushings are directional. You can't just put them any way you like. Connect it. When you're pressing in from this side in, you're going to press it until this is flush with the control arm. You see? That's how you're going to be flush. So it does take quite a bit of time if you do it by yourself. So give yourself a few hours to do this job. And good luck. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Take care.